Welcome to another quick review. Today we are going to look at a little turbo fan that is made specifically to clean things like computers, super high power. This is my personal computer that this gray area is not supposed to be gray. It's supposed to be clear. On the very top I have 3 fans and it is extremely gray as well. So I definitely need this tool. So what we're going to do is take off our glass protective coverings. So get that. This just simply comes off. I can see it is a huge amount of dust. Now I'm going to take this side off so we can get inside. I also have a fan in the very back so that we can actually get that blown out as well. You want to be careful around some of your components and not hit them directly. You want to be able to kind of just blow everything out. But I can see dust on everything, even the bottom of the unit. Now this should stay on, making sure it doesn't come loose. This is a rechargeable unit. It has a spot right here where you're going to use a USB-C to charge it up. And it's got 4 little lights that are going to light up. And when it's fully charged, all 4 lights will be actually working. Now to power it up, you've got a button here in the back and you have a button in the front. You're going to hopefully see a lot of dust flying. So let's see if we can start it. Hold it down. There we go. I hit the back one and the lights come on. So you have speeds. I can see that. That is speed 1, 2, and 3. Now we should hit the other front button. There it is. If you hold it, it sprays. Let's see what it does on 1. 1 is very light. So we definitely want 3. All right, let's pull that off. And I can already see where I was hitting it. It was knocking it off. And go. I will tell you, it definitely helps to take a little rag, go ahead and knock it loose. See, and I think this one will actually come out. So that I can wipe it down. And then you can actually finish blowing it out. So there you go, guys. Works extremely well. You may have to use a little rag to help break it loose if you haven't cleaned it in a while, but works very good. So if you're looking for a really good little turbo sprayer, I don't think you're going to go wrong with this one. Do yourself a favor, pick yourself up one today, and we'll see you guys on the next one.